What is punctuation? The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. Why do we need punctuation? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Full stop. A full stop marks the end of a sentence. Comma. A comma indicates a natural pause in a sentence or is used to separate items in a list. Question mark. A question mark indicates the end of a question. Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark marks the end of a dramatic statement or sentence. Round brackets. Parentheses, or more commonly known as round brackets, are used to separate extra information from the rest of the sentence or to add emphasis. It's important to note that commas can replace brackets without changing the actual sentence. Square brackets. Square brackets are used by the editor to indicate extra information. Quotation marks. Quotation marks indicate direct speech. Slash. Hyphen. Colon. Semicolon. Ellipsis. N dash. M dash. Apostrophe.